Dashboards will also give us a chance to view our work in a different way. Click the plus again to add an item to our workspace, and click Dashboard. Here we can give it a new name, set the privacy, and then create dashboard. Monday.com will walk you through the 2 steps to create a dashboard. The first is to add a board as a data source. I'll select my tutorials board. The second step is to select widgets. Widgets help us visualize the data that we are using from our data source board. Let's click Add your first widget. The popular widgets are shown in this quick select menu, and I'll click Chart. This one gets added by default with 1 click, and it's already helpful. I'll go ahead and rename this Tutorials by Status. We can then move these widgets around on the dashboard using this top handle. And the widgets are interactive. So if I click on the recording status here, that one item from the board will show here beneath this bar. We won't cover dashboards in detail, but let's close this and add one more widget so I can show you the settings. I'll say add widget and one more chart. I'll rename this Tutorials by Creator. Then I'll go ahead and open this menu. Then I'll open Settings. Under Chart Type, I'll change this to a pie chart. I'll collapse this and open Labels. And I'll remove Status, then type Person and hit Enter. I'll click the X. And now I have my second widget on my dashboard that I could rearrange if I'd like.